Hello, grade 6. Today we're going to talk about compound sentences and conjunctions. First, we're going to talk about simple sentences. A simple sentence is also called an independent clause. It contains a subject and a verb and expresses a complete thought. For example, Scott plays soccer in the morning. This sentence is a simple sentence. It contains a subject, Scott, plus one verb, plays. We call this simple sentence an independent clause. It means it can stand alone. It is clear and expresses a complete thought. Examples of simple sentences. Here are some examples of simple sentences. The cat drank milk. The cat played with the yarn. The boy waved. The boy said hello. I can join the simple sentences to make a compound sentence. Why? To make writing more interesting, smooth, and clear, we can join simple sentences together. Watch how we can join these sentences together. The cat drank milk. The cat played with the yarn. I join them and the sentence becomes the cat drank milk and it played with the yarn. This is a compound sentence. It is made of two independent clauses. So, a compound sentence contains two independent clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction. For example, Scott was playing soccer, so Mary went to the beach. Compound sentence, main clause plus conjunction plus main clause. So, a compound sentence contains two sentences that are joined together by a comma and a coordinating conjunction. She works in the city. This is a simple sentence. She lives in the suburbs. This is another simple sentence. But is the conjunction and it joined them together. She works in the city, comma, but she lives in the suburbs. Using a coordinating conjunctions. So when we want to use a coordinating conjunctions, we have the independent clause, then the coordinating conjunction, then the independent clause. He couldn't watch the show, comma, so he decided to tape it. He couldn't watch the show is an independent clause. He decided to tape it is another independent clause, and they are joined together by so. What are the coordinating conjunctions? They are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. And we can summarize them, contract them into fan boys. But each of these coordinating conjunctions have a meaning and is used for a different thing. For is used to introduce a reason and to show an additional idea. Nor is a negative form of or. But is to limit or contradict, to contrast. Or is to show choices or options, yet to limit or contradict, to contrast, similar to but, and so is to introduce an effect or a result. Examples of compound sentences. I want to go to town, comma, and I want to buy some ice cream. So, I want to go to town is an independent clause. I want to buy some ice cream is an independent clause, and both of them are joined together with and this makes a compound sentence. He had homework to do, but he left it at school. I forgot my watch, so I got into trouble for being late. we use a comma before the coordinating conjunction. But caution, pay attention. Do not use a comma every time you use the words and, or, but, nor, for, so, or yet. Use a comma only when the coordinating conjunctions joins two independent clauses. For example, if you have a sentence like this, the necklace was beautiful but expensive. But here is not joining two sentences, two independent clauses. The necklace was beautiful is the independent clause, the simple sentence, and expensive is not a sentence, so we don't put a comma before but. Read the notes again and pay attention to all the details and stay safe.